Hi, hello, namaskara. This is Sachin Pinto as Super Sachin, and this morning I'll be introducing you all to my favorite Hero Electro Essentia. Yes, you heard it right. It's Hero Electro Essentia, electric bicycle, and I have used for at least 8 months, and I have fallen in love, and I'll ensure you will fall in love. This is see you soon then. Come, let's go. Yes, I'm all set. I'm ready, and mask is very important. I request you people, if at all you are going out, please do wear mask. Let's go. I'm set. Water is ready. Time to start the ride. It's 4th June, 7 a.m., and this is from Bangalore. I've installed speedometer app on other phone to check the distance and the speed. Once I'll reach an empty place, I'll explain you about the cycle and its features. I just started the ride. The day looks beautiful. Good morning, Namma Bengaluru. You can see BBMP collecting garbage, keeping the city clean. People walking on roads wearing masks is a good sign. This is an inclined road, so I need to change the mode from low to high by pressing the green button. This is what is special about the cycle. No pedal assistant required. It's on throttle now. Yes, awesome. Great going. You can see the road is clean, empty, peaceful. Let's go, let's go. Hey guys, this is my Hero Electro Essentia. It's an electric pedal assist bicycle. Design is perfect for city rides. People won't even notice it as an electric bicycle. Red button is the power button. Once we switch on, you will have 4 lights. That is the battery indicator. And you have green button, which is mode from low, medium, high. It exactly works like a fan regulator. It gives the extra power. There is one more white button which is 6 kilometers per hour. If you are walking with someone, then you just press that, it matches the walking speed. The handle is flexible for normal roads and mud roads. On the right side we have throttle, same like any other bike, easy to access with extra comfort. Bell is the most important thing for a bicycle for safety purpose. On the front tire we have disc brake, which is really helpful, and on the rear normal, and you can see a motor fixed inside exactly as a ceiling fan motor. Seat cushion is good, decent. If you want extra cushion, we need to get extra layered seat. The extra accessories are bell, front bag, rear and front mudguard, bottle holder, lock and bottle. Till now the service cost is as like a normal cycle. The rear wheel has the motor and which is covered properly. This is a non-gate cycle. In this model we have cycle which has 7 gears. The entire body is steel alloy frame of A6061, which is very good, lightweight, strong. The batteries are inside this. It looks like a normal cycle. Outsider will never understand there is a battery inside it. As it's an expensive cycle, lock is very important. I used to use this cycle for office commute, so I had a bottle and a bottle holder. This is the cycle's charging point, which has a rubber lock and which will help prevent water and dust. After 3 years or 1000 charges, The batteries can be replaced from here. I rate this cycle as perfect cycle for city rides because I used to go to office for my personal use in 3 different modes. Low will give 60% push by pedaling and 40% by throttle. Medium will give 50-50, 50 throttle and 50 pedal. High will give 80% throttle and 20% pedal. My experience says full throttle will give 20 to 22 kilometers as per the Indian roads. I have taken 2-3 flyovers which were long for at least 2 to 3 kilometers. In bike, it will easily cost 1 to 2 rupees per kilometer. In this cycle, it is just 6 paisa per kilometer. By this, you can calculate your contribution towards saving natural resources. Cost of the bicycle is 18,000. It is 100% return on investment. The cycle can carry a maximum weight of 70 kg and it is very lightweight. No driving license required, and the top speed of the bicycle is 25 kilometers per hour. It is actually good. If you pedal, then it might go to 35 to 40 kilometers, which is really good in city limits. You can see now only with throttle initial speed. I have taken here to experience on the hard surface, mud road, actually well balanced. I am using only throttle here. You can see the road is beautiful and no pedaling. It is just going with average speed of 25 to 26 km per hour. If the road is so good and straight with no humps, it will easily go only with throttle 28 to 30 kilometers. I am loving this early morning ride. Awesome. Here I am showing you the speed. In 14 to 15 seconds, it is touching 25 kilometers per hour. See, without pedaling, only throttle. Yes, actually like a boss. Very beautiful and very fast. Vegetables and fruits look super fresh. Now time to take milk home while going back. I suggest to have a bag like this so that small items can be kept like this instantly. I have reached home and you can see battery indicator is still showing 3 lights. That means easily 15 to 16 kilometers I can go. This morning ride was nearly 9 kilometers. I enjoyed it. Awesome. At my parking, I have installed a power point to charge my cycle. Maximum charge is for 4 hours and in 4 hours charge you can go easily 20 to 22 kilometers. In the adapter, if it is red, that means it is charging. I'll just show you switching off. If no light, that means it's off. If again it's on, again the red light is blinking, that means it's charging. Once it's done with the charge, it will show green. The red will turn into green. This is the cycle's charging point. Once done, please plug it and put this rubber cap.
Hi guys, I've reached home and hope you liked my video. If you like, please do share, subscribe first. This cycle is awesome. I used to commute 25-30 kilometers one way. Totally it would be somewhere around 40-42 kilometers and little some 20% I used to pedal and I used to love it. Hope this is not a brand promotion. I am liking it, so I am doing it. Hero is not paying me anything. My personal experience is after using it for 8 months, definitely you should go for it because value for money. I think 1 kilometer will be costing around 6 paisa to 7 paisa. This is the best solution for traffic places like Mumbai, Bangalore, or anything. You might take it to urban, rural, anywhere. It might be in your village also. You just need a nice charging point so that it charges quickly and you will take it. 5th June of every year is World Environment Day. This is a small contribution to the nature. So I have introduced my cycle. It is not only Hero. You can buy any of the electric vehicles. Please do save energy. If needed, you can take stairs. If needed, little use of papers at office, at home. Do anything. Please save energy. And hope you like my page. Please do subscribe. I am
Super Sachin.
Yes, heard me right. I am Super Sachin. See you. Take care. Bye. Yes, let's go. I'm all set.